Relaxing plus play leads to flow. So the key ingredients to learning are curiosity, diversion, play, relaxation. Relaxation and play equals ideas or flow. I talk about flow a lot and I keep repeating it, but basically that's because it's really what you want in your classroom. You want those ideas to come out and your students to do really successful work. And play is one way of doing it. Play is the stage where ideas are kind of tossed around and analyzed and then combined or chosen depending on what you need for the situation. But recombining of new ideas or concepts, that's what needs to happen when you're making art decisions. The experience of making art is trying on possibilities. Now, what that means is, oh, what would happen if I did this? What would happen if I did that? And you want to get your students trying different things and keep telling them there's more than one way to answer a question. So if they ask you, should I use this color or that color, this brush or that brush, or this technique or that technique, you tell them, well, you could do this or that. Give them more than one choice so that in the end, they're not following your idea all the time. They need to make their own choices. And then they get used to the concept that, well, I could do this, but I like this better. And they make their own choices after a while. Engaging in the process or the making of work is important. So they need to create. Get them going, get them being active and making lots of work. Play, play, play. And for your students to really do well, you need to get them in that flow or that play zone where they relax, loosen up, and become instruments of their own expression. That means they can do it by themselves and they can try different things and they become unafraid. That's important for you to get your students in that mode. Here I go again about playing. Playing is also a way to exchange ideas with others. We learn from others as much as we do from the teacher. One idea triggers another idea and then it multiplies. Soon you have more ideas than you have time. That's exactly what you want to get your students to realize. Once you get going creating artwork, the ideas never end. Allow your students to visit each other. They will learn from each other. Your job is to facilitate learning, not teach it all. This is quite important. It's not all your job. They can learn from each other. And you will learn from your students as well. Here's your task. How can you organize your class so flow can happen? Remember what flow is. Relaxation plus play equals flow. List 2 techniques you can use. So go back in the notes and see what you can do. Just 2, I don't want any more. So do this task and I'll see you in the next section.